Introducing the 2023 Lexus IS 300 all-wheel drive F Sport 1, a luxury sports sedan that blends performance, precision, and unmistakable style. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 260 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for year-round traction and control. The IS 300 F Sport 1 turns heads with its signature spindle grille, triple beam LED headlights, and 19-inch F Sport alloy wheels. Inside, the F Sport front seats are heated and ventilated, offering exceptional comfort and support with premium NuLuxe upholstery. In the back, passengers enjoy comfortable seating, premium finish throughout, perfect for everyday driving and long weekend escapes. The center console is clean and functional, featuring dual cup holders, seat control, and steering wheel heating control for the cooler months. The 10.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected. In the back, the spacious trunk provides plenty of room for your gear or luggage, and the split folding rear seats add flexibility for longer items. Come into Lexus South Pointe today to test drive the vehicle.